What's up, my guys, gals? Welcome to Slime Rancher. I had a big hyperfixation on this game like a few months ago, so I want to give a tour of my ranch. But the thing is I'm obsessed with Tabby slimes, so almost all my slimes are Tabby slimes mixed with other ones. Oh. Yeah, I haven't touched this game in a while, so okay. I know some of them are definitely hungry, because the ones that eat meat, there's not enough chickens in the world to feed these. But these are my Tabby hunters, slimes. These are my honeys, Tabby slimes. They're just adorable. Would you stop that? And then we've got over here, we've got my boom tabbies. My rock tabbies, crystal tabbies, just normal ones, pink tabbies. Then up here are my favorite ones. These are, I know you guys are hungry, I'm sorry. These are my saber ones. See, the noises they make are just so cute. But these are my saber tabbies. These are the rad tabbies. And then I do have some in here. These are my phosphor tabbies. And then these ones are saber phosphors. So they're not all Tabby slimes. The other ones are just saber slimes. Oh, wait. I do have more. To show. The tour, I guess, isn't gonna be that long. It's literally 2 minutes. But this is my garden. Oh, you know what, actually? I'm gonna collect some of this to feed to the slimes that are hungry, but they eat vegetables. Ooh, we had just enough. You know what? We'll collect some of the carrots. I think my rad slimes like carrots, I think. Okay, so that's my garden. Now, oh, I know the rock ones. These guys. I think they like these. Yeah, these are their favorite. Eat that one! No one call the slime, CPS. I promise I'm not abusing them. These guys also like meat and veggies, so I think, give them carrots. Do you guys like carrots? Yeah, you guys like carrots. They're not your favorite, but you like them. And if we go over here, these ones like these. Yeah, you do. You little cuties. Now we just gotta try and as evenly as possible. The saber ones make such cute noises. Which I guess the next ones to get food for would be the ones that eat meat. Which is like half of my slimes. Yeah. This is my really sad excuse of a chicken coop. So I know there's ones that just pop up out of the ground, so we'll just start collecting those babies. I do actually have a slime. I think it's just one. I have one slime down here. And it's my puddle slime. I love the puddle slimes. No, there's 2 of them. Did it just leap at me? What just happened? They're adorable. Just look at them. I love you so very much. Do you know that? I love you so much. Chicken collecting time still. Drop it onto the. I'm swooping down like a chicken stealing Superman. like how many of my chickens... slimes actually eat chickens. I know these guys do right here. And there's only 2 of them, so we'll just... Right there. Come on. I know both of you did not eat that. Will you eat that chicken? Eat them. Oh my goodness. Alright, now that's all of my slimes fed. So, let's... Ooh, whose quest should we do? Thora's. Best part of the range. You hear all those cars and people. You hear all those cars and people? Yeah, I don't either. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm, like, dyslexic. Beets and 3 of those kinds of chickens. Easy enough. I have beets at least. I know of that. I don't remember where to get those chickens from, though. Oh, yeah. We definitely have a little too much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. And now... And now we just need some of the... Okay. There. Activate faster! You know what? Just give me 2 chickens out of that. There. I'll feed you guys myself. Now we just need to find those chickens. So let's go do that. But there's a bridge over here that we could probably take to find the chickens I need. Run! Oh no. Not today. So we should be able to find the right chickens. I bet you I'm not in the right area. There's another area you can go to. I just can never remember where it's at. Is it this way? Wait! It's a briar hen. Ah, I forgot how many I need. Don't tell me you guys are eating all the chickens that I need. Please. I hear the chickens. They're up here, aren't they? Where are the chickens that I need? Nope. Come here. Ooh, a briar chickadoo. Oh, I'll save you guys. Is there more? Where? Okay. You guys are safe. Don't recognize this place. Oh, heck yeah, more chickens. We'll just take some more water out of here, just in case. I hear chickens. Come on. I hear them. My chicken! And then, of course, those chickens aren't the ones I need. So, I head this way. Ah! Get away from them! Oh, yeah, it's because I did miss the area I was supposed to... Come on. Oh, wait, actually, no, I don't need to try and get back up there. There is a way. Please! Yeah, you can tell I've been up here quite a few times. Okay, yes, her quest is still going. Oh, I just needed 3. Yes, baby! I kind of really don't need... You know what? I will take the tabby ones first. And then I'll go sell these ones. And then I'll sell the other ones. Just the same way. Taking them one at a time. I do have another thing we can do. It's right here. We can do the race things for Mochi. I already am I wouldn't say I'm almost there. I'm really not. But my main focus is that one right there. That one. So we're gonna do this. Activate that house. What is that? Oh. I'm just gonna shock you real quick. I'm just gonna shock you. There's no need to panic. I do this so messily. I'm just gonna shock you a little bit. Because there's no aim button. I'm not gonna get that many. I already have a feeling. Ooh. Get that one. Yeah, the thunderclap one's pretty f***ing sweet. Oh, I'm already out of thunderclaps. Ow! There's no need to push and shove. With the way I do this, I'm never gonna get up to 700. I need the bubble one, like the bubble shield or whatever it is. And I'm all out. Perfect, there's one right here. Jump! Come on. Now I just gotta wait, and we'll just shoot from up here. Hey, why are you sinking? You screw up! Get that one. Thunderclap again. And now I'm all out again. I have 22 seconds. And I only have 44. Come on. You've got 5 seconds, man. I don't think you're gonna make it. Yep, I didn't make it in time. But now I'm already here, so now I just get to boop. And now I get to go cash these in. This is how I make all my money. And now there is another round we can do. It's up here. Activate! Grab some of these. Shoot them while they're behind you. That sounded really bad. It's a race. Come on. No. There's a special thing up here. Get it. It's the slow field. That's the one I was talking about. Oh, I just almost fell off. Yeah, because that's completely gonna help me. Why did I do that? Now I only have 2. That one was pointless too. Not many of them are coming through. Actually, now there are. Now that I've been complaining. No, I don't have any more of that, so we're just gonna come back over here. Just pop down another one. We better get, I hope I get more than the 40 whatever I had last time. And I've run out of things already. Come on, we got 41 seconds. We can do this. You ain't getting away, and it got away. Okay, well maybe you will get away. Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him! I got 30 seconds. Get him, get him, get him, get him! Get him, get him, get him! Yeah, we definitely got more than the 44 last time. Did pretty dang good. Got 72. Not bad. Now we just gotta go return this in for some cash. I am rich now. Now I just need to get 300 more and I'll be able to afford access to her ranch. I think it's her ranch that she's gifting me. Yeah, right here. Look at it. All that could be mine. I could have more room for my Tabby Slimes. Look at it. Man. Well, I think that's gonna be all for this video. If you liked the video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!